I'm all set up and I'm just waiting for the 310 to U-mark, no sorry, settle. I've just set up my big camera for stills, my little Olympus Tough, Olympus TG-5 or something it is. Down there will be me Sony NEX-3F or F, whatever it is, I can't remember, whatever that's it. So those will be doing video and this will be doing video too, so hopefully to capture it on the way in. So I'm just hoping the rain will stay off and just see, and hopefully there'll be a bit more sunlight, be a bit brighter, because I have to use a long lens because I can't really go on that side of the fence next to the track and get the shot I really would like because it's too dangerous. I've stayed on this side of the fence, safe bit. So I'll just have to use a long lens, but the Canon 5D Mark II doesn't do well past 1600 and I'm a bit close, so I'll probably need I'll need the ISO and a high shutter speed. So I'm thinking around 1000 600 for the shutter speed. Well, I don't know, but that makes it F9. It's depth of field's a bit shallow, so I might risk it at 800 or something like that. So that's the plan. Whether it turns out how I'm going to think it's going to turn out, I don't know. Well, I thought the weather's getting better, but it's getting worse. The wind's getting up, the rain's getting heavier. I'm hoping this will blow out before the train arrives. Should be leaving Carlisle about now, so I've got 10 to 15 minutes before it arrives, and I'm losing hope.
Well, a combination of rain on the lens and the focus might have went out when I removed the plastic bags from the lenses means that all these were slightly soft.
Came upon me a bit too quickly there. I don't know what happened. I had to take all the plastic bags off, remove the old sock from one of them in the lens, and quickly shoot it. Don't know what I got. You can see now, because I had to reposition some of the cameras because they'd moved in the wind. Right, wait for the next one. I'm not moving anywhere else. I'm staying here. It's brightening up. I'm going to dry off. I can't bother to pack all this wet stuff away and then go to somewhere else. I'll see you and get the next train from the same spot. that was meant to be the steam train. Obviously the steam train wasn't put on today. What the hell's that? God, sorry, it's my other camera up there. Ah, damn it. Well, was it? Yeah, that must have been it. That must have been the meant to be the steam train, whatever it was. They just hadn't put it on, or it's broke down or something. I'll probably find out later. Anyhow, it's starting to rain now, and your thing's back, and I've had enough. I'm wet, I'm muddy, I'm miserable. Oh, I thought it was going to be nice today, but that's how it goes. Please like and subscribe.